Hi, I will show you now Tsougria Beach. Tsougria is one of the most beautiful beaches on Skiathos. Is on a small island across that you will be visiting later in the afternoon, and is a must. Is one of the most beautiful beaches. The water is so clear, is always flat. It's like a small lagoon. It's like a small lake. The sand is amazing. Is something amazing on this beach. Okay, what are the restrictions and where you can anchor your boat? As we come to the beach, let's say you're becoming this direction. Okay, you're coming from anywhere, and we come to the position. We say, okay, where we are going to anchor. As we said, you will not be able to go and anchor or go by the jetties. We don't do the jetties, okay, because the jetties are only for the sea taxi purposes, are only for the regular sea bus table, so you don't interfere. You don't go on the jetty because also you're going to break and damage the boat as you don't have balloons to protect it. So where you can go? You can come. The port police allow us to come on this side. Okay, as we're coming into the beach to the right. Okay, so you're gonna tell me where's the swimmers? The swimmers area. Okay, on the beach, you have some indicators. You have some balloons across the beach, like this. Obviously, in the summertime, these balloons are have been moved to the left or to the right or deeper or more shallow. So the best way to go and anchor your boat is by these yellow balloons. As I said, normally the balloons is going to be somewhere here, and you must anchor your boat somewhere somewhere here. Okay, the port police allow us to go to this side. So if we decide and we want to take the boat all the way out, okay, we can come very slowly, as I explained. Okay, very slowly we approach the beach, and when we see we approaching quite close somewhere here, okay, what we do, we lift the engine out of the water and we paddle. Okay, we paddle and we take the boat close to the beach up to the knee level. We jump out, we hold the boat, and then after everybody is on the beach nice and safely, we push the boat deeper and we take the boat in about that depth. Okay, and we anchor the boat. We never ever leave the boat in the swimmers area. Okay, we will never leave the boat here, never anchor in here. The port police will give us a fine. Okay, so we don't do the jetties and we don't anchor in the swimmers area. Where it is allowed to the right hand side to take the boat close and take the family out, or you can anchor, and then you can anchor your boat here where the boys are. Okay, you can anchor the boat close to the boys that they're indicating what is the safest way to anchor away from the swimmers. Normally, you're gonna have we give you a dry bag so you can swim with it all the way out, yeah, and have fun. After when the boat is here, if you want to go, you come into the boat, okay, or everybody swim into the boat, and then you lift the anchor and you go away from the beach. Be very careful. All this area here, okay, is very dangerous with rocks. You must remember you have to leave the beach directly out. Okay, we leave the beach directly out. We don't go sideways, never. Okay, we don't go sideways, because here will probably we're gonna go and hit one of the rocks here. Also, we never anchor the boat by the rocks. Okay, we never anchor the boat by the rocks, but always we keep a nice good distance. Okay, that's it. Enjoy your stay in Tsougria. It's a beautiful beach, and you're definitely gonna love it.